64GB DDR5 RAM madness? G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB puts your PC on Ultra Beast mode. Ever feel like your PC just can't keep up? That lag, those annoying freezes, and the soul-crushing slowdowns that kill your flow? Yeah, been there. It's like trying to sprint in molasses when you're gaming, editing, or multitasking heavy-duty stuff. You're stuck waiting on your outdated RAM while your projects, games, or streams suffer. The frustration? Real. The lost hours? Even worse. It's a productivity and gaming chokehold, and honestly, it's draining your hype and motivation. You need speed, like yesterday. Deadlines? They're looming like a boss battle you forgot to prepare for. Stress? Off the charts. Burnout? Knocking on your door, no RSVP. Missed gaming kills, botched video renders, or endless tab loading feels like a personal tragedy. Meanwhile, your rig's old RAM is the slowpoke holding you back, ruining your competitive edge and creative vibe. Can you imagine how many epic wins or pro-level projects slipped away because your setup just couldn't keep pace? Yeah, that's the nightmare no one talks about, until now. Enter the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 64GB, your PC's new MVP. This bad boy is engineered to unleash beast mode with lightning-fast 6,800 megatransfers per second speeds and ultra-tight CL34 latency. Instantly, your sluggish workflows get vaporized, and multitasking becomes a smooth, buttery breeze. Plus, it rocks Intel XMP 3.0 for simple, plug-and-play overclocking that even your grandma could handle. With hand-screened chips, sleek RGB vibes, and rock-solid stability, the Trident Z5 doesn't just upgrade your RAM, it transforms your entire system into a powerhouse ready to crush every task and game. Imagine blasting through heavy workloads, pro gaming sessions, or massive renders without a hiccup. That's the power of Trident Z5 RGB's unmatched DDR5 tech, razor-sharp responsiveness, ultra-efficient heat management, and customizable RGB lighting that turns your rig into a visual spectacle. Whether you're building a beastly gaming rig or a creative workstation, this memory delivers killer speed and insane reliability. Want to see how it can revolutionize your setup? Hit that link, dive deeper, and get ready to supercharge your PC experience. Don't sleep on this. G.SKILL's Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 RAM is flying off shelves faster than limited edition sneakers. Thousands of gamers and pros already swear by it for insane speed boosts and smooth, lag-free performance. Ready to join the elite and leave lag in the dust? Click below now and grab yours before the hype train leaves the station. Your next level PC build awaits. Seize this chance and dominate like a legend. No regrets, only wins.